Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Emerson Salvador. I'm from Phonetic Class Section 1 of Professor Morla. Alright, today I'm going to talk about phonemes, the different kind of sounds that we have in uh, phonemes. Okay, so let's get started. Our first phonemes that we can find, it is this one. It is the 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 according to voicings, uh it is voiced. According to the place of articulation, it is alveolar. According to manner of articulation, it is stop. Example: bleed, deer. Okay, next one we can find according to voicing, it is voiceless. According to the place of articulation, it is velar. According to the manner of articulation, it is stop. Example: wake. The next one we can find, it is this one: wa, wa. According to voicing, the sound, it is voiced. According to the place of articulation, it is bilabial. And according to the manner of articulation, it is glide. Example: wish. Next one, it is this: l, l. According to voicing, it is voiced. According to the place of articulation, it is alveolar. And according to the manner of articulation, it is liquid. Example: late. Next one, it is mm, mm. According to voicing, this one, it is voiced. According to the place of articulation, it is bilabial. And according to the manner of articulation, it is nasal. Example: calm, mask, mom. Okay, next one, it is according of voicing, this one, it is voiceless. According to the place of articulation, it is labiodental. And according to the manner of articulation, it is fricative. Example: teeth. Next one we can find, it is this one: j, j. According to voicing, it is voiced. According to the place of articulation, it is palatal. And according to manner of articulation, it is glide. Example: jello. Okay. Next one we have, it is this one. The sounds for these phonemes, it is the, the. According to voicing, it is voiced. According to the place of articulation, it is lingua dental. According to the manner of articulation, it is fricative. Example: that. Next one we have, it is this symbol. So the sound for this one, it is sh, sh. According to voicing, it is voiceless. According to the place of articulation, it is palatal. According to manner of articulation, it is fricative. Example: wish. The next one we have it is this one. The sound for this one it is according to voicing. This one it is voiceless. According to the place of articulation it is lingua dental, and according to manner of articulation it is fricative. Example: think, with. The next one we have it is her. According of voicing it is voiced. According of the place of articulation it is palatal. According of manner of articulation it is liquid. Example: for, roll. Okay, so the next one we have it is this one. Okay, so according of voicing it is voiced. According of the place of articulation it is alveolar. According of manner of articulation it is affricative. Example: job. The next one we have it is according of voice the sound is voiced. According of the place of articulation it is labiodental. According of manner of articulation it is fricative. Example: voice, evolve, waiver. The next one we have it is b. According of voicing is voiced. According of the place of articulation it is bilabial. According of manner of articulation it is stop. Examples: bowl, rub. Next one we have it is this one. According of voicing it is voiced. According of the place of articulation it is velar. According of the manner of articulation it is nasal. Yes. Example: sinner, ring. Next one it is this. The sound for this it is z. Z. So according of voicing it is voiced. According of the place of articulation it is palatal. According of manner of articulation it is fricative. Example: vision, page. Alright, so the next one we have it is according of voicing it is voiceless. According of the place of articulation it is bilabial. According of the manner of articulation it is stop. Example: pot, top. The next one we have it is according of voicing is voiceless. According of the place of articulation it is alveolar. According of the manner of articulation, it is stop. Example, telephone, attack. Next one we have, it is mm, mm. According of voicing, it is voiced. According of the place of articulation, it is alveolar. According of manner of articulation, it is nasal. Example, knob, pin. The other sounds, it is s, s. According of voicing, the sound that is voiceless. According of the place of articulation, it is alveolar, and according to the manner of articulation, it is fricative. Example, miss. The next one, it is g, g, g. According of voicing, it is voiced. According of the place of articulation, it is velar. According of manner of articulation, it is stop. Example, ego. The next one, it is ha, ha, ha. According of voicing, it is voiceless. According of the place of articulation, it is glottal. Glottal. And according of the manner of articulation, it is fricative. Example, happy, happy. So the next one, it is these sounds, these phonemes. The sounds for these phonemes, it is sh, sh. According of voice, it is voiceless. According to the place of articulation, it is alveolar. According to manner of articulation, it is affricative. Example, shop, watch. The last one, it is this. The sounds for this one, it is z, z, z. So according to voice, it is, according to voicing, it is voiced, because it vibrates. It is voiced. Z. According to the place of articulation, it is alveolar. According to the manner of articulation, it is fricative. Example, nose, zipper, buzzer, buzzer.